there fellow adventurers, welcome back to Any Excuse to Travel, the channel where we explore the world one trip at a time. I'm your host Kira, and today I'm beyond excited to unbox the new GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition. That's right, this is the latest edition from GoPro and it's packed full of some awesome features. Let's dive in. Okay, let's jump right into unboxing the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy, travel-friendly case. The case itself is well designed and offers excellent protection for all the contents inside. Okay, let's unzip it and see what's inside. Okay, so first things first, we've got a Creator Edition. So GoPro have just updated their GoPro Quick app, which means editing your videos just got a whole lot quicker. Simply scan the QR code here or click on the link below to get your GoPro Quick app set up and ready. So now you can edit your video footage directly from the cloud. It eliminates the need to download your videos. It's a game changer for content creators. Okay, opening the case, we can immediately see that the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition is securely placed in the side of the pack. So we'll get to the GoPro in a minute, but let's focus on the accessories that come with the Creator Edition. First up, we have the Volta battery grip. This fantastic accessory not only enhances the camera's power, but also doubles as a tripod where you can pop your camera here and as a remote control. You've got all your buttons here. You got your power button, your battery, your Bluetooth, and then you connect your camera with this cable. So it's a versatile addition and it will significantly improve your shooting experience. You've also got a handy grip that you can add and strap it onto your wrist securely. So that'll come in really handy for us when we're on our adventures to make sure we don't lose this wonderful tool. So the Volta battery grip will provide you with the extra power that you need for the long shoots and give you more flexibility in how you capture your footage. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Creator Edition is the advanced Enduro battery. Here we've got the battery. Let's take it out of its pack. So it's got a handy little tab right here that you can pull it out of the GoPro easily. So when you power the advanced Enduro battery with the Volta grip, they give you a whopping 6,620 mega amps of power. What does it mean for you? Well, you'll get over 5 hours of continuous 4K recording, perfect for capturing your entire day's worth of adventures. The Enduro battery also performs exceptionally well in cold weather conditions, making it a reliable companion for skiing, snowboarding and other winter activities. Okay, next up we have the Media Mod attachment. This is an essential accessory as it comes with a high quality microphone, improving the audio in your videos. So say goodbye to muffled sounds and hello to crystal clear audio. Okay, last but not least, we have the LED light mod attachment. It's a game changer for low light shooting. It provides extra illumination to brighten up your shots and make everything look more vibrant. Let's take it out of the case and examine it more closely. The LED light mod attachment is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It's perfect for nighttime adventures or when you need that extra boost of light in dark environments. Okay, let's focus on the main event, the GoPro Hero 12 Black itself. I'll carefully lift it out of the case and ensure we don't drop anything. So it's important to see that your camera must be updated before you can use it. Now let's peel this off. Ooh, shiny. So here it is, the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the star of the show. Its compact design and rugged build make it perfect for your travel adventures. However, please note that the battery is not pre-installed in this camera, so we'll have to install it ourselves. So you can see here that you can flip out the ends and hook it in to the Volta battery grip. Okay, let's have a look and see what else we've got in the box. So inside the box we've got all of our cables for charging. We've got our screws for gripping. We've got connectors. We've got our mic muff. Okay, that's everything in the box, and then we have, of course, all of our paperwork. So don't forget to subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. You can scan here, you can click the link below. You got your pro tips for best cold weather performance. You've got your product safety instructions, quick guide to setting up your GoPro. You can scan the QR code to set it up. And then you've got your important product and safety instructions, and these look like some really cool stickers. So that's everything that you get in the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. It is important to note that the GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition does not come with an SD card, so you'll have to purchase that separately. I've left a link in the description below for a really good SD card that I use often. So if you want to have a look, click the link below. If you're interested in purchasing the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition or the GoPro 12 or any of the accessories we've unboxed here today, I've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Any Excuse to Travel community. We have some really exciting adventures planned across the US and Europe, and I can't wait to capture them all with the GoPro Hero 12. So the Hero 12 Black Creator Edition takes image quality to the next level with high dynamic range for both videos and photos. Whether you're in a shadowy forest or under the blazing sun, HDR captures every subtle detail, creating dynamic footage with true to life colours. This is a major upgrade, and that guarantees stunning visuals no matter what the lighting conditions. And let's not forget the unbelievable image quality. With its 5.3K video resolution, the Hero Black Creator Edition offers 91% more resolution than 4K and a whopping 665% more than 1080p. That means that your footage will be incredibly sharp and cinematic, capturing every moment with stunning clarity. So let's install the battery. To open, simply pull down and a lid pops open. You need to grip the camera firmly, and then your battery pack simply slides in. Now you've got the little tab here to pull it back out again. And then this little area in here is where your SD card goes. Now, the GoPro Creator Edition comes with a USB pass-through. So if you're shooting something that you need a lot of power for, so a time lapse or something like that, you can replace this door with this door so that the USB can get through and charge. Alright, it will not be waterproof when you do this though. Okay, to install the media mod on your GoPro Hero 12, you will need to remove the battery door. So push down. These things were not designed for nails. Let me put it that way. So you're going to take it up. You're going to pop this off. And then you're going to open up the trapdoor on your GoPro mod. Okay, you've got a little USB section in here. So that connects in here. All right, everything seamlessly attaches to your GoPro. Now, it will not be waterproof when it is in the mod. So you can only use it in waterproof mode when it's just the camera with the original door. Okay, so then you simply pop it in and close it. Nice and secure. You've got your mic. You can then pop your mic muffler on top to protect from wind. And then your light simply connects on to the horseshoe. Make sure it's in nice and secure. And there you got it. Your GoPro is now in a media mod mode. So then underneath here, you've got to pop these little bits out. And then you can connect them to the Volta battery. So simply pop it on. And then you're going to take your screw, pop the screw in. Everything is nicely aligned. There you have it. Media mod ready to go. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing of the GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and stay tuned for more epic adventures coming your way. Remember, every day is an adventure with Any Excuse to Travel.